Today we are going to unbox this jump starter. The brand sent it to me, Autogen, to show you guys what's inside once you get your package. So you can see it has really nice, pretty cool looking box. So let's open and see what we get inside. And over here you can see you have a bunch of information. It shows you what you get inside, but let's go and check together. So once you open, you will see a protective carrying case, so you don't have to worry about the box anymore. You can see it has really nice, cool looking case, and the zipper opens really smoothly. And this is what you have. You have your user manual and some warranty stuff. And over here, you have really large unit. Let's go and see. So you can see it looks really nice and large, and it has 6000 amp, and this gives you 6000 peak power. So you can see easily what is the current level for the battery. And once you press the other buttons, I see there is this is the socket for the jumper. As you can see, this is not like those baby clips. These are real heavy duty clips you can easily attach. You can see it has the markings on it, positive and negative side, and this is shape coded. You can see you won't be able to accidentally put it in wrong, so you can just place it just like this, and you will see it will activate. And you can see this is like a plastic material, but they are really durable, so you won't get spark. So that is pretty cool. So, and if you made anything wrong, let's say you connected to wrong side of the battery, this will tell you you are wrong. If it's correct, it will just light, so you can see. And you have a button here to just boost up if the battery is in really bad condition. So overall, this is what you get. So let's see, we have a charging head here, and we have USB cable. You can see you have the cables, and you have another output. If you have cigarette charger, you can charge other device, activate other devices, and this should power on. And you have other input. You can see type C, and you have output. It tells you this is for input and this is for other device. You can charge your other devices with it. So to activate the front light, you would just hold about 5-6 seconds and then it will activate. You can also press and activate the SOS light. So this is another. So overall, really nice, a very heavy duty machine, just like this. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.